Yeah, fool, so those fools were like, yo, let's go like blast those fools. And I was like, oh, I got a CrossFit class at like fucking 4 o'clock, eh? Like, I can't make it. And they were like, what is CrossFit? I was like, fool, wait, how do you not know what CrossFit is? It's a way of life, eh? Like, plus, not to mention, fool, like, I heard there was a Bulbasaur over there. And they're like, what's a Bulbasaur? I was like, fool, it's only like the most elusive Pokemon in the universe, fool. Like, fuck, open your brain, you know? But like, they just started like tripping on me right now, like barely even literally like said anything, and they were like giving me a hard time. So I was like, yo, whatever. Like, I took the high road, you know? Like, but like, not like I stayed on like the same street, but it was like the metaphorical like high road, you know? Like, it's like on the same level, but like whatever. So I just did that, fool, and they were like cracking jokes or whatever. So I just went to CrossFit and then I went home, fool. Like, I never did catch that rascally Bulbasaur, you know, but I will. I will, fool. Like, that's me. Like, you know, like if I put my mind on something, fool, like I'll do it, you know. Like, that's on my family too. Like, you know, I'm gonna catch him eventually, you know, but like whatever. So I just kick back, you know, watch like a little bit of like Downton Abbey and like Sherlock. Fool. I don't even know what's going on in that show, fool, but like that fool Bennerbatch Cumberdick, like he's a good actor, eh? Like that fool, like I get confused if it's like the character or him. I don't even understand what's happening, fool, but I love it anyway, you know? And then like I had like a big ass day the next day, fool, because it was my cousin, Annalisa. It was her quinceañera. So I had to like go there, you know, and like see all my family and the homies and shit. And like I was excited, fool. And as soon as I get there, my tío starts tripping on me, fool, like hardcore, like all over the clothes I was wearing, fool, like for real. And I was like, why are you tripping right now? Like I asked him, like, yo, literally, why are you tripping right now? You know? And it's like, so what? Like I want to make America great again, you know? So I got that t-shirt, like, fuck, like that's the worst thing in the world. And then everybody started ganging up on me and tripping out on me and shit, fool. So I was just like, you know what? I'm taking the high road, fool. Like, and that's what I did. I took the high road. Again, I stayed like on the same platform as them, but like the metaphorical, you know what I mean? Like I don't even think there really is a high road, like unless you're on like a bridge. And I know that my tia does not have a bridge in her backyard, so like I just took the high road, fool. That's what I did. And I walked over to my abuelita, you know, because like you gotta spend time with your elders, fool. Like that's important. And plus like her vision is like really bad, so like I knew she wouldn't see like my t-shirt, you know. So like I'm talking to her and she tried to make me a plate. So I'm like, okay, like, you know, but do you have like any gluten-free options or like a vegan option? Homie, she starts looking at me with her like crazy like guacoma eye, like a deranged coyote or something. Fuck, I was like, relax, you know, like I'm just trying to like take better care of myself, you know. Like I went to the doctor and the doctor was like, your cholesterol is getting kind of high, fool. And I was like, fuck, you know, like I ain't trying to die out here in these streets, homie, you know. Cholesterol is no joke, fool. Fuck, for real. So like I was trying to explain like a lesson that I had learned like a long time ago, fool. Like, you know, like monkeys jumping on the bed, one falls off and bumps his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed, fool. Fuck, like that's a lesson. Like, how do you not understand that, you know? So like the doctor told me, lower your cholesterol. Like if he told me to stop jumping on the bed, I would stop jumping on the bed. I got other things to do, eh? Like fuck, I don't even care, fool. Like I'll go do CrossFit, whatever, it doesn't matter, you know. So like I was trying to explain that to them, and while I was like trying to explain like all of this, my tia Rosa, she hit me in the face with a papusa, like right in the face. Like I didn't even see it coming, fool. Like I was like just sitting there, and then I got hit with a papusa, and then like everybody started throwing papusas at me, fool. She was like crazy. Like all of a sudden, my entire family is like a part of the Dodgers or something. Like nobody could even miss or something, fool. And it was really like not cool, fool. Like seriously, like it just, I don't know. Like I'm no punk bitch, fool. Like, you know, like I do CrossFit 4 times a week. If you check my Instagram page, you'll see like my calluses, eh? Like, but getting hit in the face repeatedly with papusas, you can't prepare for that, fool. For real. I'm not even crying right now, fool. Is that what you're laughing at? Are you laughing at me right now? No. Are you laughing? No. It's just the heat, fool, and like the global warming. Like, It's what is happening. Like, Leonardo DiCaprio has been warning about this for years, eh? Like, he's at one Academy Award. I think he would know, fool. But, like, I swear if one more person hits me with any sort of food or, like, anything, I'm moving to Portland, Oregon, fool. And that's it. Like, I am done, fool. It's a cool, like, progressive city. I'll just go there and, like, chase Pokemon, fool. I don't even care right now, fool. Like, I'm literally barely even care right now, fool. I'm seriously not crying, fool. Stop laughing at me. You're supposed to be my hermano.
La raza, vato. Pura raza.
Exactly, fool. He's not even, my eyes are burning from all the tapatio.